Your favorite fitness influencer on Instagram or TikTok has an awful lot of weight loss tips and tricks to share with you. But what are they not telling you? Here are 14 hidden secrets of fitness that you won't find while scrolling for weight loss inspiration. Secret number 1. Ab workouts are useless. Countless crunches and sit-ups may help tone your belly, but they can make a difference only if you have a lean midsection to begin with. In fact, the key to having a flat belly is to reduce your overall body fat percentage. Unfortunately, ab workouts are not going to help you do that very quickly. Believe it or not, you already have a six-pack hiding beneath layers of fat. The most effective way to get a glimpse of them is through a combination of cardio, strength training, and good nutrition. Secret number 2. There are no diet foods. There are so many packaged diet foods on the market, and they all promise to help you follow popular diet plans. Low-calorie cookies, low-fat ice cream, low-carb bread, high-protein shakes, you name it. These treats are usually marketed as a healthy choice for your daily diet. But unfortunately, there is no such thing as diet food. No matter what these products promise, there is no magic meal you can binge on and still lose weight. What's more, processed foods are what most health and nutrition experts tell us to stay away from. In fact, your meals will be a lot healthier if they include fresh and whole ingredients. Secret number 3. Your psychology matters more than your diet. If you find yourself reaching for food when you're not hungry, it may be out of boredom, or it may be a coping strategy to deal with stress and negative emotions. Scientists have shown multiple times that your psychology can make or break your weight loss efforts. If you use eating to overcome boredom, find healthier distractions. If food helps you numb negative emotions, find other ways to soothe overwhelming emotions. And if eating is your coping mechanism to deal with stress, practice relaxation techniques like deep breathing, yoga, and meditation. Secret number 4. Supplements don't make all the difference. With so many supplements available on the market, it's tempting to believe that pills and powders are all you need to shed the extra pounds. Although some of them can boost your progress throughout your weight loss journey, they can't do all the work without you putting in any effort. The real magic lies in staying consistent with a balanced and healthy diet. Secret number 5. You don't need motivation. Motivation can help us get started on our weight loss journey, but the problem with motivation is that it is a fleeting emotion. Weight loss is about consistency, while motivation will come and go. So the best way to succeed in losing weight is to stop relying on motivation and start creating new habits in your daily life. Starting with tiny habits is all you need to kickstart the process. Think of simple things you can do on a daily basis, like walking more or taking the stairs instead of the elevators. These may seem like small changes, but they will help you lose a lot of weight over time. Even better, they will help you maintain a healthy weight once you have reached your goal. Secret number 6. Eating healthy won't be enough. There is a lot of talk about free foods in fad diet communities. Free foods are so low in calories that some say you can eat them freely without being concerned about weight gain. Healthy food is also described as a free food, and some say as long as you eat healthy, you won't have to worry about quantities. Even though this is a very appealing argument, it doesn't really work out that way. In fact, you can consume too many calories even when sticking to whole, unprocessed natural foods. Healthy foods are not a free pass, and eating them in moderation is still essential. That's why following a balanced diet is your best bet. Secret number 7. Fitness influencers don't really look like that. Throughout your weight loss journey, you'll find plenty of fitness influencers ready to inspire you on social media. Nothing wrong with that, but before you start comparing yourself to them, it's important to remember that social media is fake. In fact, fitness influencers resort to lots of smoke and mirrors to achieve their look, from lighting that can hide cellulite, camera angles that make their body appear thinner, and apps that can slim down their figure. It's all an illusion. It's fine to entertain yourself on social media, as long as you keep in mind that what you see isn't real life. Secret number 8. Most diets don't end up well. Crash diets can help you lose weight at lightning speed, but they'll also make you gain all the weight back pretty quickly. That's because rigid eating routines are unsustainable. But that doesn't mean that all diets are bad. In fact, finding the right diet can be a game changer. So instead of falling for the latest trend, choose a diet that fits your lifestyle and taste. That way, you'll be able to stick with it over the long term, so you'll never have to regain the old weight back. Secret number 9. There are no magic fat-burning workouts. Some companies and trainers promote specific workouts, promising they'll help you burn more fat than other types of exercise. But did you know there is no such thing as a fat-burning workout? Eliminating fat comes down to burning more calories than you consume. And the truth is, different workouts can help you reach that goal. So don't feel forced to choose a particular workout just because you think it'll burn more fat. And if you don't like working out, you don't even have to do it. In fact, you can burn extra calories just by being more active in your daily life. A few calorie-burning activities to consider are cleaning the house, gardening, walking, or even going for a leisurely bike ride with friends and family. The key is to keep moving, even at a low intensity. Secret number 10. You don't need to count calories. When it comes to losing weight, the amount of calories you consume is essential. In fact, in order to shed fat, you'll need to consume fewer calories than you expend. Basically, eat less and move more. Counting calories throughout your day can be helpful to keep on track, but it's not necessary. In fact, you can reduce your calorie consumption without logging each single food you eat. Choosing healthier food options and reducing your portions will help you cut calories without counting them. Secret number 11. Intuitive eating is not really intuitive. Intuitive eating has become very popular over the past few years, but the name is misleading. In fact, if you trust your intuition blindly, you may overeat and choose high-calorie foods that give you a sense of immediate gratification, so you ultimately get off track. That's why intuitive eating requires a lot more than simple intuition. In fact, it's based on understanding your body and becoming more mindful of what it needs. That's something you can learn with time, patience, and education. Secret number 12. Deprivation doesn't work. Once you commit to weight loss, it's tempting to start strong and choose a strict diet that promises quick results. But deprivation does more harm than good. First, it can make you feel like you're starving and tempt you to get off track very soon. It can also compromise your health if you're not eating enough nutrients. A meta-analysis of US studies on weight loss found that people who go on very low-calorie diets are quick to reach a plateau. Studies also found that the loss of nutrients resulted in many unpleasant symptoms, such as low energy, headaches, constipation, and even serious long-term complications like loss of bone density. Secret number 13. Carbs and fats are not bad. Some popular diets banish entire food groups, like carbs and fats. It's tempting to think those macronutrients are something to avoid at all costs. But the truth is that all foods can be part of a healthy diet. For example, fat is an essential nutrient to give your body energy, protect your organs, and produce necessary hormones. Carbohydrates act as your body's primary energy source and provide essential vitamins and minerals. There are many reasons to incorporate carbs and fats in your diet, as long as you do it in moderation. Secret number 14. Losing weight can be tasty. Diets have a bad reputation for being filled with bland food and repetitive meals. But that's one of the biggest misconceptions about losing weight. In fact, there are plenty of tricks to make your diet tasty and enjoyable. If you want to learn 12 easy ways to do that, click here to watch this video. Like this video and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.